the ultimate vitamin for kidney health. Prevent and repair kidney damage. Your kidney are silent heroes, working tirelessly to filter your blood and keep your body balanced. But when they're at risk, what can you do to protect them? Imagine if there was a simple, natural way to shield your kidney from damage and even help restore their function. In this video, we'll uncover the incredible vitamin that could be your kidney's best friend. Stick around to discover how this nutrient can make a world of difference for your health. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abraham, and in today's video, we're going to explore the ultimate vitamin for kidney health, prevent and repair kidney damage. Make sure to stick around until the end for more important tips and insights. Let's get started. Kidney damage often goes unnoticed until it's too late, but there's good news: you don't have to wait for a problem to take action. This powerful vitamin not only supports kidney function, but also plays a crucial role in repairing damage. Whether you're looking to prevent issues before they start or seeking to improve your kidney health, this nutrient could be the key. Vitamin D, the key to healing and protecting your kidney naturally. Vitamin D is often known for its role in bone health, but its benefits go far beyond that. This essential vitamin plays a critical role in kidney function, helping regulate calcium and phosphorus levels in your blood, which are crucial for kidney health. But that's not all. Vitamin D also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent damage and support the healing of already compromised kidney. Research shows that vitamin D deficiency is linked to an increased risk of chronic kidney disease. By ensuring you get enough vitamin D, you can not only help prevent this, but also potentially reverse early-stage damage, whether through sunlight, diet, or supplementation. Vitamin D is a powerful tool in your arsenal for maintaining kidney health. Don't overlook the power of vitamin D. It's more than just a vitamin. It's a protector and healer for your kidneys. If you're serious about safeguarding your kidney health, make sure vitamin D is part of your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care.